Sup bitches. Today's video is sponsored by Super Soup. He didn't sponsor me, I just wanted to sponsor him because it's really cool and helped me record this video and shit. So go check him out, I'll put him in the pinned comment. And so to give a little backstory, him and I created a Minecraft game of a survival island because we were bored out of our minds, but instead somebody forgot to install CSGO fucking source and it's corrupted as hell and glitchy, so yeah. Anyways, you guys are epic, the ones that actually watch the videos, and enjoy the video, you cuckold. We made a fuck. We made a really cool island with a normal texture pack.
What's wrong with yours? What is that, like acne?
Wait, it's a
It's normal. Everything is normal. It's
what the fuck, dude? Why is it so fucked?
Wait, did you install it or no?
Install what? Counter-Strike source?
Classic texture pack.
You don't need to install the other person's texture pack to be able to see in their world, dude. What do you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't.
Yes, you do.
No, then how come we fucking play the Wasteland map and you weren't using the plastic texture pack?
Yeah, it just looked normal. I don't know what's wrong with yours.
Okay, let's just go over here. Okay. Oh my god, do you not see this?
No, it's everything is just normal.
The weird thing is that like some texture packs are normal, so the grass block is it looks like acne, but the dirt block looks fine. Ouch. Dude, the zombie's like arms and head are pink and the rest of his body is black. After Super Soup and I went to the strange island, we were confronted with many weird, discolored animals. We immediately knew what we needed to do. We needed to find Obanias and become rich as hell. Why? Well, we didn't know why, but we knew the road ahead of us would be really eventful, but most importantly, really epic. Is this lava? It is, right?
I
'Cause
just
it's
made
lighting up.
3 crafting tables.
Dude, this is... Come here. You're telling me what you see right here isn't a pool of fucking pink and black squares?
No, it's just lava.
Oh my god. Dude, I can't tell differences between fucking rocks. Oh, there we go. The cobblestone is the same. Oh!
What the heck?
Finally, some rotten flesh. How are you down there?
I don't know, I went inside a cave. It took me to Narnia.
Dude, I have half a hunger bar, and if that goes out, I'm dead because I don't have fucking food.
Check
Dude,
the
how do you
furnace,
get...
I think there's cooked. Yeah, there's cooked food in here.
I wasn't recording, lol. Hey,
Damn.
what's up, guys? It was so shut up. So we're rich now. We have broboniums, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have broboniums, fucking. And I got a sick ass house. You see, it's gonna turn into that nice acne green top with 2 pieces of wood, birch and oak, with a little bit of diversity. Fucking shut the fuck up.
Alright, I'm gonna go up.
So what do you think of the house?
Oh,
Looks good,
there's
right?
like cobblestone, there's wool.
No, it's all gray. What do you mean?
It's right here.
Yeah, I know.
Look,
I
see
see
this?
that. Yeah, I see the cobblestone.
foot. It's just detail, texture.
I'm gonna go mine for some diamonds, bro. You want diamonds or onions?
Braboniums. Oof.
It's a big fall, so watch out.
Mhm.
It's a really big fall. Oh,
Oh.
alright.
Oh.
Yikes.
Fucking guy.
Right.
Help! Spider.
Oh no!
Holy shit!
Oh, I'm scared. Oh,
Help! Are you good?
yeah. When you look down, it feels like tall as heck.
Yeah, it does. Oh my god, dude. Imagine the fucking nether.
Oh man, we need to get colder like right now.
Alright, guys. We're gonna be going to the nether. We're gonna skip right back when we have all the items. It's gonna be epic. Alright, so for half the portal, we did like the water and fucking lava trick. And then didn't have flint and steel, so we used the good old like burning with lava. And we're here, and the portal is literally fucking black. And I just realized something.
Oh what?
I only have a stone pickaxe and an iron chest plate. Nah, I should be fine.
Okay. No.
So you have like a tiny ass. Dude, I look like Big Chungus.
Dude, I'm kind of sad that I can't see what you're seeing. Just like normal Minecraft for me.
Yeah. Dude, you know where you can see it though?
Oh, lemon squeeze.
On youtube.com/lemon/lemon log in, fucking subscribe now and turn on post notifications to see some really cool Minecraft. You know, we do all types of gamings, we upload podcasts, we make short films, we're just gamers, you know? Right, bro? We're just gamers.
Yeah, bro. Alright, let's
Imagine if alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Imagine if when recording it doesn't fucking show any of this.
go.
Oh my god! Dude, this fucking loading screen.
Oh! Oh no!
Holy shit. Oh. Let's dip. Come on.
Yeah, let's dip. Let's go back.
I can't run. Help me.
Oh no!
For like a little bit.
No, please.